Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about clef, brace, measures and the bar lines. Clef. A clef is a symbol placed at the beginning of the staff to indicate the pitch of the notes. Clefs are divided into two, treble clef and the bass clef. Treble clef is called a right hand and it is also known as a G clef as it is starting on a G note. How to draw a treble clef? Step 1. Draw a J. Step 2. Draw a capital D from the top of the J to touch line 4. Step 3. Continue across the vertical line and make another semicircle. Step 4. Continue the curve to make a spiral around the second line and finish the spiral around the second line of the staff. Bass clef. Bass clef is called a left hand and it is also known as a F clef as it is starting from the F note. How to draw a bass clef? Step 1. Draw a dot on line 4. Step 2. Draw a curved line from line 4 to line 5. Step 3. Continue the curve downwards from line 5 to line 2 and draw two dots in the space between line 4 and 5. Next topic is brace. The brace is a curved line that join the two staffs, the treble clef and the bass clef of the grand staff. What is a measure? A measure is a segment of time that defined by a given number of beats separated by a bar line on the staff. Bar line. A bar line is a vertical line on the staff that divides the music into measures. The bar lines are divided into three, that is, single bar line, double bar line, and end bar line. Single bar line is used to divide music into measures or bars, helping to organize the rhythm. Double bar line consists of two vertical lines indicating a change in the music such as new section, key, or a theme. End bar line. End bar line indicates the end of the piece or a section of a music. It consists of two vertical lines where the second line is thicker than the first line. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel.